So, you want to learn how to make money online? Well, it's your lucky day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So over the past few weeks, I have received tons of comments and a few emails from people asking me whether or not I can provide more trainings on affiliate marketing and how to make money online. What I did is over the past 7 days, I've spent some time to create a completely 100% free guide for beginners where you can learn how to make money online in 4 different ways. I call this the definite guide to affiliate marketing success. And in this guide, it's 41 pages of content where you'll be able to learn how to make money online fast, what type of passive income or strategies you can implement with affiliate marketing that allows you to build a business that provides you with passive income. I wrote this guide with the mindset that if I was a beginner, if I didn't know anything about affiliate marketing, what would I like to know? What are the details and the steps that I had to take to be able to succeed with affiliate marketing? And that's exactly what you'll find in this guide. You'll find step-by-step instructions on what you can do to go from $0 to $500 per month to making just a few extra $100 per month if you want to, or if you just want to build a long-term affiliate marketing business that pays you a passive income every single month. You can download this guide 100% free. If you go to in the link in the description below, it's going to take you to a landing page where you can download the guide completely free. One of the things that I found is when you provide free information, there's only a small percentage of people who actually take action. So if you're not willing to take action, if you're not willing to learn exactly what you need to do in order to succeed with affiliate marketing, do not download this guide. You're going to be wasting your time. Now, if you want to succeed, if you're willing to take action and pay attention and follow instructions, then go ahead and download the guide because it's going to teach you some of the basic stuff that you need to know about affiliate marketing to be able to make an income 3, 6, 12 months later. But it's all about taking action. I do know that when you provide free information to people, most people don't take it seriously because you're giving that information for free. Now, if you're willing to pay money for something, then that means you'll likely pay more attention because you already spent some money out of your pocket. But when you're giving out free information, some people listen, some people don't even take any action. So if that's you, if you're willing to take action, if you're willing to do what it takes to build an affiliate marketing business where you can make a few $1,000s per month, or perhaps quit your job, or perhaps just make enough money to pay some bills, then this can definitely help you if you take action. I do hope that you enjoy this guide. If you go through it and you read the entire thing, it's going to take you perhaps a few hours to go through the entire thing, and it's going to take you a few weeks if you want to implement any of the strategies and things that I'm mentioning in this guide. But I can guarantee you that they actually work. Once you go through the entire thing, just leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if it actually provided you with the tips and information that you were looking for. So with that said, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you on my next video.